why Kali? Why to use Kali Linux over any other Linux distribution? So there are many reasons for this. So let's start. See, it is completely free. Now you might be thinking that there are many other Linux distributions which are also free. For example, CentOS, right? Okay, I agree. But let's move towards the second benefit. It is completely customizable. Okay, you can customize it as you want. Then it has more than 500 of penetration testing tools inbuilt. Okay, and this was the reason Kali also known as hackers paradise. Okay, and not only 500, maybe more than 600 penetration testing tools, right? I don't remember the exact number. Then it offers multi-language support, which means you can use Kali in your own language as well. Okay, it almost supports all the languages. Okay, almost. Now the platform is built in secure environment. Okay, in a very secure environment. And last but not the least, it support wide range of wireless device. Okay, what does it mean? See, there are many Wi-Fi devices, okay, especially wireless devices which are available in the market, right? They both have or they all have different properties. Okay, so when you use them into Windows operating system, you have to install their drivers, okay, their supporting software, right? But in Kali you don't have to install anything, just attach it and it will start working, because Kali have inbuilt drivers for almost all categories of wireless devices, right? So these are the main reasons which that why we use Kali over any other Linux distribution for the purpose of cybersecurity.